Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my monthly Sips By subscription unboxing. These are my January teas. They always come with a card, all the teas on the back, all the additional information, steeping time, caffeine levels, all that good stuff. So let's just dig in. So if you get loose leaf tea, which I always get a combination of loose leaf and then prepackaged tea, they send you these little fillable tea bags, which I really like, for your loose leaf tea. Ooh, the first one is cookie tea. This is white chocolate chip cookie. That sounds amazing. It says it has an enticing scent of brown sugar. Awesome. White tea, cocoa husk, white chocolate pieces. That one does contain dairy. So we have that. And then this is our other loose leaf tea. That's so cute. It's like a little envelope. Tranquil Tea Organic. Organic Hallows Eve. This one is a black tea. It has cinnamon chips in it, orange peel, apricot pieces, and brandy essence. So those are our loose leaf. And then we have some packaged tea. And whenever you get those, there's always 4. So the first one is Energy Tea, Grapefruit and Guarana Seed by Ahmad Tea, London. Exotic, citrusy, and refreshing for an uplifting brew. And then we have one more, Black Currant Beauty. Deliciously deep purple fruits to help you glow inside and out. Oh, it says you can infuse that for up to 15 minutes. Ooh, this has rose hip, licorice, and fennel. My favorite kind of tea is licorice tea, so I bet this is really good. I'm gonna have a cup of that now. Well, let's look at the card one more time. When you sign up for a subscription, you do fill out a profile, so you can say what teas are your favorite, what you don't like, and then they kind of tailor that box to that. So yours will be different than mine. So I have caffeine. It used to say, okay, low caffeine and then caffeine free. And then steeping times, how much to add to 8 ounces of water, all that good information. So if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, please check out the description box below. I have all that information there for you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.